Welcome back to Old Studio Car. Today, we're diving deep into a classic piece of automotive history, the 1929 Ford Model A. This iconic car represents an era when automobiles were becoming more accessible and stylish for the everyday driver, and the Model A is a prime example of Ford's ability to combine simplicity, reliability, and charm in a single package. Starting with the exterior, the 1929 Ford Model A immediately stands out with its timeless design. The body retains a boxy yet elegant shape, typical of late 1920s vehicles, with clean lines and a sturdy frame. The front grille has a simple, vertical pattern, and the headlights are round, giving it a classic vintage look. Chrome detailing on the bumper and grille adds a subtle shine, contrasting beautifully with the painted body. This particular model shows signs of restoration, and the fresh paint job enhances the visual appeal while staying true to the original style. The fenders are smoothly curved over the wheels, giving a balanced look that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The windshield is slightly angled, and the roofline flows seamlessly into the rear of the car, maintaining that old-school charm. Even after nearly a century, the Model A manages to convey a sense of sophistication without overcomplicating the design. Moving to the performance, the 1929 Ford Model A is equipped with a 3.3-liter inline-4 engine that produces around 40 horsepower. While this may sound modest by today's standards, it was sufficient for the time and made the Model A a reliable and practical choice for everyday driving. The engine runs smoothly and, when properly maintained, provides consistent performance. The car features a 3-speed manual transmission, which requires a bit of skill to operate but adds to the authentic driving experience. Acceleration is gradual, and the Model A responds well to gentle handling. Braking is handled by mechanical drum brakes on all 4 wheels, which, while not comparable to modern braking systems, perform adequately for vintage driving conditions. The maximum speed of the 1929 Ford Model A is approximately 65 miles per hour. While this is far below modern cars, it was more than adequate for the roads of the 1920s, which were slower and less congested. Cruising at around 45 to 50 miles per hour provides a comfortable ride, and the suspension system, with its transverse leaf springs, absorbs bumps reasonably well for a vehicle of its age. It's not a sports car by any means, but the Model A is about the joy of driving a piece of history and experiencing the connection between driver and machine that has been largely lost in modern vehicles. Fuel efficiency for the 1929 Ford Model A is around 20 to 25 miles per gallon, which is impressive considering its age and engine design. The fuel system is simple, with a gravity-fed carburetor that is easy to maintain. Regular maintenance and proper care ensure that the car runs efficiently and reliably, making it a practical classic for collectors and enthusiasts alike. When it comes to pricing, the value of a 1929 Ford Model A depends largely on condition, originality, and restoration quality. A well-maintained or fully restored example can range from $20,000 to $35,000 in today's market. Cars with original parts and historical significance can command even higher prices, making it not only a wonderful piece for driving and display but also a smart investment for collectors. The affordability compared to other vintage cars of the era makes the Model A especially attractive to new collectors who want a classic car with character and historical importance. Overall, the 1929 Ford Model A is a remarkable vehicle that captures the spirit of its era. Its timeless exterior, straightforward yet reliable performance, and approachable pricing make it a favorite among vintage car enthusiasts. Driving a Model A today offers a unique connection to automotive history, allowing you to experience the charm and simplicity of a bygone era. If you love classic cars and appreciate the stories behind them, the 1929 Ford Model A is a must-see. Its enduring design and dependable mechanics have allowed it to remain relevant nearly a century later, proving that good engineering and timeless style never go out of fashion. This has been a detailed look at the 1929 Ford Model A here on Old Studio Car. If you enjoy exploring vintage vehicles and want more reviews of iconic cars from the past, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming videos. The Model A is more than just a car, it's a rolling piece of history, and experiencing it is truly unforgettable.